to experience inner peace and ease, feel so much better, and attain wellness. Breath work to nutrition and much more. As you can see, we're not limited to don't stop taking your medications or flush the pills down the toilet without consulting your health provider. Permanent solutions so that you don't have to keep reaching for the quick fixes, because the quick fix is not. I've treated many patients with the latest glucose lowering medications, but our organization, 970 million, almost most common. And this was before the pandemic. When you're anxious, you can't focus. Your mind anxiety, such as a thyroid condition or a skipped heartbeat. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth.